How to change email address on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change email address on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that click complete your profile, and once you're here scroll down, and then here you will find the email. Here you will find your email. Just change it if you want. Just type an email you want and then click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.